Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Business Ideas. In this video, we will be talking about GoHighLevel. But before we begin, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our latest uploads. Now without further ado, let's begin with today's video. What is GoHighLevel? GoHighLevel is a cloud-based platform that offers a variety of tools and features to help you grow your business. With GoHighLevel, you can manage your sales, marketing, and customer support from a single dashboard. The platform offers a range of features such as funnel building, appointment scheduling, messaging, and more. Why GoHighLevel? GoHighLevel offers a powerful all-in-one solution for businesses of all sizes. Whether you're a small business owner or an enterprise-level company, GoHighLevel can help you streamline your processes and increase your productivity. Here are some of the reasons why you should consider using GoHighLevel. All-in-one platform. GoHighLevel provides a comprehensive suite of tools and features that can help you manage your sales, marketing, and customer support from a single platform. Easy to use. The platform is designed to be user-friendly and easy to navigate, even for beginners. Customizable. GoHighLevel allows you to customize your workflows and automate your processes to suit your specific business needs. Affordable. GoHighLevel offers a range of pricing plans to suit different budgets and business sizes. Features of GoHighLevel. Let's take a closer look at some of the key features of GoHighLevel. Funnel building. One of the most powerful features of GoHighLevel is its funnel building capability. With GoHighLevel, you can create high-converting sales funnels quickly and easily using a drag-and-drop interface. You can choose from a range of templates or create your own custom funnels. The platform allows you to add multiple steps to your funnels, such as opt-in forms, upsells, and downsells, and track the performance of each step. Appointment scheduling. GoHighLevel offers a built-in calendar and scheduling tool, which allows you to book appointments with your clients and prospects and send reminders automatically. You can set up custom appointment types and availability, and integrate the calendar with your website or landing pages. You can also automate your follow-up sequences after each appointment, ensuring that you don't miss any important leads. Messaging. GoHighLevel offers a messaging feature that allows you to communicate with your customers and prospects in real time via SMS, email, or Facebook Messenger. You can set up automated follow-up sequences based on user behavior, such as form submissions or link clicks. The platform also allows you to create broadcast messages and segment your audience based on their interests or behavior. Pipeline management. GoHighLevel offers a pipeline management feature, which allows you to track your leads and sales and manage your deals from start to finish. You can set up custom stages for your pipeline, such as lead capture, qualification, and closing, and assign tasks and reminders to your team members. The platform also allows you to create custom fields and tags to organize your data. Automated workflows. GoHighLevel allows you to automate your workflows and processes by setting up triggers and actions based on certain events, such as form submissions, email opens, or appointment bookings. You can create a custom automation for different parts of your business, such as lead generation, sales, and customer support. The platform also offers integrations with other tools and services, such as Zapier, Stripe, and Twilio. How to use GoHighLevel? Using GoHighLevel is easy and straightforward. Here are the steps to get started. Sign up for GoHighLevel. You can sign up for GoHighLevel by visiting their website and choosing a pricing plan that suits your needs. Set up your account. Once you've signed up, you can set up your account by adding your business information and setting up your branding. Create your workflows. GoHighLevel allows you to create custom workflows for different parts of your business, such as lead generation, sales, and customer support. You can use the drag-and-drop interface to create your workflows and customize them to suit your specific needs. Integrate your tools. GoHighLevel offers integrations with other tools and services, such as Zapier, Stripe, and Twilio. You can integrate your tools with GoHighLevel to streamline your processes and automate your workflows. Monitor your performance. GoHighLevel provides real-time analytics and reporting, so you can monitor your performance and make data-driven decisions. You can use the data to optimize your workflows and improve your business outcomes. Well guys, that's all we have for you today. What are your thoughts on this? Get involved and let us know in the comments section down below what you think about today's video. If you liked this video and found it informative, then be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you don't want to miss out on any new future videos like these, then be sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification under this video so that you're notified the next time we upload a new video. Thanks for watching, guys. We hope you have a great day today, and we'll see you in the next video.